Friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Today, I'm wearing a beautiful traditional base mango yellow with copper butta with the green Rama green color with the Kanjivaram pure heavy border. This beautiful collections where you can see the beautiful heavy pallu. With this exclusive varieties, you can also purchase with Kesaria manufacturers with color charts. These collections today I brought for you the around 500 rupees to 900 rupees at factory price. These collections, exclusive color charts you can purchase and add into your business to make your customers happy. So keep watching this video, retailers, dealers, and easily make your customers happy and to have a huge profitable margin. So let's see the collections. First pattern, the beautiful semi-classy look for the organza based navy blue with the piping work, heavy copper butta work with heavy border. There's a wedding gift is the code. Such a beautiful organza based sari, heavy copper butta border and mini butta of the body part where you can see, which is an organza based sari. This is a wedding gift is the code with the 630 brocade blouse has been given here. This collections you can easily purchase. If I talk about the next sari, which is Sangeet paithani, which is a paithani based model with the blue color combination with the beautiful color sari. So this pattern I'm going to show you. The photocopy what you're seeing here is Sangeet paithani 101 is the code. The same sari with the blue with Rani magenta color border. The photo you have seen here. This is the sari. See how beautiful it is. The magenta color mini border with the paithani border symbol has been given in the borders, and this is the copper butta of the entire body. This is a pure traditional south based these collections you can purchase. If I talk about the Karnataka pattern, which is Karnataka style, which is most loving color of Sarita paithani collections, this is a bottle green with magenta with the Rani color, heavy concept with the traditional heavy paithani border which has been highlighted in the sari. You can see here the same sari you are watching here, the beautiful sari which is Sarita paithani 2 is the code. So all these exclusive varieties you can purchase. If I talk about next pattern, which is a Mysore silk with the Kanjivaram pattern, Mega Silk 104. Mega Silk 104 is a beautiful pattern. The sari will be heavy, but it is a traditional base combination with the parrot green I can say and bold butta of copper jerry and matte look of Rama green with the traditional base sari. The same sari which is mega silk I can say here. This is also one of the Kanjivaram. You can take a screenshot by the photocopies what I am sharing with you. And the next sari if I want to show you, this is a beautiful rapier silk which is a Carnival 103 is the code, which is a navy blue with the heavy tomato red, heavy brocade pattern with the rangoli base. The body entire butta work has been done. The weaving work, the beautiful weaving work of the rapier cotton, lightweight exclusive collections you can purchase. These are all heavy exclusive Kanjivaram saris. If I talk about the next sari, which is a soft Kanjivaram pattern, mini dotted butta with the parallel lines, which is a Assam silk is the code. And in this, the beautiful heavy pink with the Rama green with the magenta stripes which is given here. Beautiful sari, you can see. Heavy pink I can say, or the dark red or the dark tomato with red I can say. This is one of the pattern. So all these exclusive varieties around 500 to 900 rupees. The factory price what I am sharing with you. You can take a screenshot for the actual prices. You can contact our online team. Next pattern, the heavy copper butta sari which is a Mysore silk base, Kanika silk 103 is the code. Dark purple with dark maroon matte shade, heavy leaf based copper butta, beautiful sari color combination. These saris are very beautiful, which is very pretty to wear, and heavy Kanjivaram pallu you can see here. These are all varieties you can easily contact Kesaria manufacturers before getting out of stock. These varieties you can add into your business. You can make your customers happy to have a huge profitable business and display at your store, display at your social media pages, display at your business page, and easily you can promote your business, and at the same time you can grow in your business. Not only silk varieties, we do have a silk varieties from Jacquard, Banarasi, Paithani, Patola, Kanjivaram, Kolkata, Bangalore silk, even Mysore silk, and Kolkata based all varieties you can buy at one place, and many more segments of Indian women apparels where you can purchase and you can plan your clothing store. So contact Kesaria manufacturers, do online business, you can easily purchase for online and even video calling live purchase. Visit Purchase, which is located at Surat City Ring Road, Millennium Textile Building 1, first floor, morning 9:30 to 8:30 we operate the shop. We do have a benefits for the COD options pan India, and even all pan India and the worldwide we are providing you sea services, cargo services. No need to worry about the transport. It will come safe and securely. If you find damages also, if you find any damages, there is a 100% replace options about the products. So you can contact for all the languages, you can communicate with your online team and enjoy these collections by ordering these collections. So next video will come up with more collections. Until then, keep supporting me, and let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video and following me. Please share your feedbacks. There's a bell icon, just click it. So next video we'll meet up with more collections. Until then, take care. Bye bye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम